हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग जामिया 11 साइंस एंट्रेंस टेस्ट पेपर सेट ए के आंसर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए हम लोग शुरू करते हैं। इसमें क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट क्या कह रहा है? अ सिलेंड्रिकल कंडक्टर ऑफ लेंथ L and uniform area of cross section A has resistance R. The area of cross section of another conductor of same length, same material and same resistance but length of 2L is। तो इसका आंसर होगा 2A। ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आइडेंटिफाई द सर्किट इन द गिवन फिगर इन विच द इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट्स हैव बीन प्रॉपर्ली कनेक्टेड। तो इसमें सेकेंड नंबर जो है हमारा ये प्रॉपर्ली कनेक्टेड है। तो सेकेंड नंबर किसमें है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इसमें इन द सर्किट गिवन बिलो द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द 3 ओम रेजिस्टर इज। तो इसका आंसर होगा 1 वोल्ट। ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द रेजिस्टिविटी डज नॉट चेंज इफ द टेम्परेचर इज चेंज। तो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। Question number 5. Choose the correct option. A rectangular coil of copper wires is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in each. Option number C, half revolution. Question number 6. What will happen if a soft iron bar is placed inside the solenoid? Option number C, the bar will magnetize permanently. Question number 7. The back face of a circular loop of a wire found to be south magnetic pole. The direction of current in this face of similar loop of wire will be clockwise. Option number B is correct. Question number 8. An ionized gas contains both positive and negative ions. It is projected towards east to a region having uniform magnetic field directed into the plane of a paper. Then, तो इसका ऑप्शन नंबर सी, all ions deflects towards south. Option C is correct. Question number 9. A child is standing in front of a magic mirror. She finds the image of her head bigger, the middle portion of the bigger of the same size, and that of the legs smaller. The following is the order of combination of the magic mirror from the top. तो इसका आंसर होगा concave, plane and convex. Option number C is correct. Question number 10. The angle between an incident ray and the plane mirror is 30 degree. The total angle between the incident ray and refracted ray will be 60 degree. So option number B is correct. Question number 11. Two thin lenses of power 3D and minus 2D are placed in contact. Then power and focal length of the lens combination is। तो इसका आंसर होगा A, प्लस 2 डायोप्टर और कॉमा प्लस 100 सेंटीमीटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, द आई डिफेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द फिगर इज। तो इसका आंसर होगा हाइपरमेट्रोपिया। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, लाइट ट्रेवलिंग फ्रॉम अ डेंसर मीडियम टू अ रेयर मीडियम अलोंग अ नॉर्मल टू द बाउंड्री। तो इसका आंसर होगा 14 बी, इज रिफ्रैक्टेड अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। Question number 16. Electrolysis of water is decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is। तो इसका होगा 2:1। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। Question number 17. Which of the following statements about the given reactions are correct? तो ऑप्शन सी, वन, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ। आयरन मेटल इज गेट oxidized. Second, water is getting reduced and water is acting as oxidizing agent. Question number 18. Which of the following cases can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, हीलियम और नाइट्रोजन। Question number 19. An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change? तो इसका आंसर होगा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। If a few drops of concentrated acid accidentally spills over the hand of a student, what should be done? तो इसका आंसर होगा wash the hand immediately with plenty of water and apply a paste of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Option B is correct. Question number 21. Which of the following substance will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? इसका होगा lime. Option number D is correct. Question number 22. An aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which of the following properties of the aluminium are responsible for the same? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ। Question number 23. Metals are refined by using different methods. Which of the following metals are refined by electrolyte refining? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए। Question number 24. Reacting between X and Y forms compound Z. X loses electron and Y gains electron. Which of the following properties it is not shown by Z? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी। Question number 26. Identify the unsaturated compounds from the following. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए। Question number 27. Which of the following does not belong to the same homologous series? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, C3H8। Question number 28. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of the atomic radii of O, F and N? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, F, O, N. Question number 29. Which of the following elements will form an acidic oxide? तो इसका आंसर होगा an element with atomic number 7. Option A is correct. Question number 30. Which of the following sets of element is written in order of their increasing metallic character? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर A. Question number 31. Which of the following products are not formed during respiration if oxygen is not available in living organism? So option number B is correct. Carbon dioxide plus water. Question number 32. Glomerular filtrate is first collected by Bowman's capsule. So option number C is correct. Question number 33. Translocation of solutes primarily takes place through option A, phloem. Question number 34. In ODS stems, respiration takes place through option number C, lenticles. Question number 35. Which hormone is not found in plants? Option number D. Question number 36. Which nerves transmit impulses from the central nervous system towards the cell? Option number B. Motor nerves. Question number 37. Which of the following is the correct sequence of events of sexual reproduction in a flower? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, pollination, fertilization, embryo and seedling. Question number 38. Which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not caused by a bacteria? Option number B, hepatitis. Question number 39. The ability of a cell to divide into several cells during reproduction in plasmodium is called, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, multiple fission. Question number 40. A pure tall plant can be identified from hybrid tall plant. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, if all plants are tall after self pollination. Question number 41. In a food chain, usually the following are found at the third trophic level. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, secondary consumer. Question number 42. Identify the gas which causes ozone layer depletion. तो इसका आंसर होगा chlorofluorocarbon. Option A is correct. The observable set of characteristics of an organism is called phenotype. Option B is correct. Question number 44. Which of the following is the best way for disposal of vegetable and fruit peels? तो इसका आंसर होगा landfill. Option number A is correct. Question number 45. Which of the following pairs of brain part and its function are not correctly matched? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, Pons consequences. Question number 46. If m to the power n equals to 32, where m and n are positive integers, then the value of n to the power m into n is, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 5 to the power 10. Question number 47. If the zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and c not equal to 0 are equal, then option number C and A have the same sign. Question number 48. 7 times of a 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit. If the difference between the digit is 3, then the number is option A, 36. Question number 49. If bx plus ay equals to a square plus b square and ax minus by equal to 0, then the value of x minus y equals to, तो इसका आंसर होगा b minus a. Option B is correct. Question number 50. In a triangle ABC and DEF, angle B equals to angle E, angle F equal to angle C and AB equal to 3D, then the two triangles are, तो इसका आंसर होगा similar but not congruent. Option number B is correct. Question number 51. If 4 vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then A is to B is, तो इसका आंसर होगा 51 का B, 4 is to 1. Question number 52. If 2 sin 2 theta equals to root 3, then theta equals to 30 degree. Option A is correct. Question number 53. On increasing the diameter of a circle by 40%, its area will be increased by 96%. Option C is correct. Question number 54. If the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by 3, find the number. So option C is correct. Question number 55. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Question number 56. If the angles of elevation of a tower from two pins, distance A and B, A greater than B, forms the point from the foot and in the same straight line from it are 30 degree and 60 degree, then the height of tower is, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Question number 57. If the circumference of a circle increases from 2 pi to 4 pi, then its area dash the original area, 4 times the original area. Question number 58. 4 of frequency distribution, mean, median and mode are connected by the relation option A, mode equals to 3 mean minus 2 median. Question number 59. A circle, a cone, and a hemisphere are the same base and of the same height. The ratio of their volume is 3 is to 1 is to 2. Option number C is correct. Question number 60. If A, B, C, D, E, and F are in AP, then E minus C is equals to 2D minus C. Option C is correct. Question number 61. If the LCM of two numbers is 3600, then which of the following numbers cannot be their SCF? So option B is correct, 500. Question number 62. If 10 of quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 4, then the value of k is minus 28. Option B is correct. Question number 63. Question number 63. The sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 9. If 27 is added to the number, the digits of the number get reversed. The number is, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी 36. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. द नंबर ऑफ रियल रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन x minus 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस x minus 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस x minus 3 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 0. तो इसका आंसर होगा नन ऑफ दिस, ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. इन द गिवन above figure, AD equals to x, BD equals to 3x plus 4, A is equal to x plus 3, and EC equals to 3x plus 19. Then the value of x for which DE parallel BC is, यहाँ पे थेस थ्योरम लगेगा, तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस? तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, आई राइट हर 100 ऑफ लेटर, यहाँ पे आई हैव रिटन 100 of letters by now, ये होता है इसका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. which of the following is exclamatory sentence? ऑप्शन डी, all of the above. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68. which of the following is not an imperative sentence? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, you will be careful, warn you. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. which option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? Sunita asked Venkat, how much is the rent for your flat? तो इसका आंसर होगा Sunita asked Venkat how much the rent for his flat was. Option B is correct. Question number 17. Which option displays the correct changes of the following to reported speech? She said, I told Daman to send you an email 3 days ago. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. She said that she had told Daman to send an email to me 3 days before. Question number 71. Select correct option to form grammatically correct sentences. He asked me where I was going. Option C is correct. Question number 72. Men works so they may earn a living. Option B is correct. Option number B is correct. Option B is correct. Question number 73. The hospital board clearly mentioned that you must not smoke in the hospital as it's a health hazard for all. Option B, must not. Question number 74. There's never dash petrol left after Rahul uses the car. Much petrol left after. Option A is correct. Question number 75. I am taking driving lessons now. Hopefully, I dash my driving test by November. Will have taken. Option C is correct. Question number 76. The dog dashed under the chair before the children arrived. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, had hidden. Question number 77. The taxi driver spoke dash English. I could not understand him. Some English. I could not understand him. Option number D. Question number 78. 40% of the country does not suppose the new law. Option A is correct. Does not. Option A. Does not. Question number 79. Excitement as well as nervousness dash the cause of her jitterings. Option number C is. Question number 80. He took the side in the argument between two of his best friends and his two brothers. So option C is correct. Neither. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 टू 85. रीड दिस पैराग्राफ गिवन बिलो. ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ के क्वेश्चन 81 से 85 तक का आंसर देना. तो इसका व्हाट, क्वेश्चन 81, व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू द राइटर इज नॉट डिसिप्लिन? तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, टू अलाउ चिल्ड्रन फॉर डिसओबीडियंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. हाउ कैन चैनलिंग इन एनर्जी हेल्प? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, बाय प्रिपेयरिंग अस टू फेस द डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स एफिशिएंटली. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. द फ्रेज लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन्स refers to the children who have parents that were not moved by momentarily dislikes of their kids. Option C is correct. If not the family, where else can learn discipline from? Option C, nature. Question number 85. What does the author mean when he says act of love? A gesture of love. Option B is correct. Question number 86. Neither the teacher nor the students dash able to hear the announcement. What able to hear the announcement? Question number A. Sorry, option number A is correct. Question number 87. The cost of all these articles has risen. Question number 88. She said, I went to the secret cave in the mountain. The indirect of the above sentence is option C. She said that she had gone to the secret cave in the mountain. Question number 89. I said the old man, please explain your viewpoint in detail. The indirect of the above sentence is I requested the old man to explain his viewpoint in detail. Option D is correct. Question number 90. The manager said to you, why didn't you attend the meeting yesterday? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. The manager asked you why didn't attend the meeting the previous day. Question number 91. Which of the following is the rank of India in the list of UN World Happiness Report 2021? So option A is 139. Question number 92. Blue Revolution stand for increase in fish production. Option B is correct. Question number 93. Who was the first female speaker of Lok Sabha? Option A, Meera Kumar. Question number 94. When was the first constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन सी 26 of November 1949. Question number 95. Which of the following is the largest highway in India? Option A, NH 44. Question number 96. Which of the following is the shortest cropping season of India? Option B, Z season. Question number 97. Who said this while addressing the soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj? Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 98. When was the Quit India movement started? Option C, on August 8, 1942. Question number 99. Which of the following minerals is known as black gold? Option A, petroleum. Question number 100. The United Kingdom formally ended its 47 years of membership with the European Union on January 31st, 2020. Which one of the following term was used? Option A, Brexit. Thank you.